Welcome to Tune In Life.
This is a podcast about modern life, how we think, how we work, how we relate, and how to stay human and tune into who we really are.
If you're listening, chances are you're doing fine on the outside. Your Instagram looks good, your LinkedIn is impressive, you're capable, responsible, and yet something feels off, misaligned.
Hi, I'm Dr. Eiley, a business psychologist and artist at heart.
And I'm Mr. Joy, an AI architect and poet.
We created Tune in Life because the world keeps asking us to upgrade faster, better, more efficient, while many of us feel worn out, disconnected, less present.
This podcast isn't about fixing your life. It's about slowing down and remembering who you are.
Each episode explores modern life through psychology, technology, and art, from loneliness and attention to creativity, AI, and what actually makes life meaningful.
Tune In Life helps you step out of autopilot, question the pressures of modern life, and consciously choose the habits, technologies, and rhythms that bring you more joy.
Let's get real and tune in to who we are.
You don't need to agree with us. You don't need to change anything. Just sit back, listen, and think about what works for you.
So don't just tune in.
Tune In Life.